So I got these two little solar panels sitting right there, and they're hooked up to under my thing. They're hooked up to here. This is what I got for now. So I got a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, a 100 amp hour battery, and so it's charging right now, but it's fully charged. We turn it on. So she's fully charged. 13.2. I think it holds 13.1. I'm not sure, but it's at 13.2. Anyways, all I have running on it right now are these lights. I got these LED shop lights, and then so my next project is to build a frame for these things here, and I'm gonna put a 4x4 post into the ground somewhere around here, and I want to build it up high enough so it's up above the gazebo, this thing here, the Shelter Logic. Alright, ciao.